Hi everyone, my name is Rashmi Nehalani. I came to know about Hooponopono through Facebook and I just randomly joined it. I didn't know anything about Shweta ma'am. And when she made the group, she took so much effort from day one without even knowing us. She taught us how to download the app Telegram, and every day she was giving us instructions how to send, how to clip the attachment, how to send the attachment. And I was wondering why this lady is doing so much effort for a free session. And the day Shweta ma'am started on day one, and that time only we could feel the connect. Not me, each and every person could connect with her. And she gave all our answers, and she was very patient, and she explained the concept so well that we did not even have any difficulty in understanding the modality.